because there's crazy people on this road when it rains, probably including me. Good morning. Oh my god, Dash has got a 20-minute wait. Oh, it's just given me a job. How 20 minutes, that's okay. What's that? 2 miles for $7.99, picking up from round the corner, Guzman Gomez. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to go offline with Uber and get this picked up. I hope everyone's having a good day. Great start to the morning. We just had a bit of a downpour. So I'll go off Uber, and I'm giving myself around an hour and a half, 2 hours this morning. Not as long as I would normally, because I've just dropped the kids off at school and I got my chesty back on. The thing around my neck, yeah, it was getting on my nerves a bit. It was so heavy around the neck, and this feels a little bit more stable. But yeah, let's get this done. Let's see what we can do. I was there maybe 10 minutes. Anyway, let's get this delivered. Don't know if you can see, but look at all this rain. We're just getting on the way for another pickup for DoorDash. I did get an UberEats job, but I cancelled that one because I also got a DoorDash one, which was a lot less Ks. So we're on the way to McDonald's in this rain. Pick up from McDonald's. They're pretty slow here, so hopefully, it took me a while to get here because of the rain and the traffic. Another 5-10 minute wait for something that should be ready, especially since I drove 10 minutes here. Anyway, we are going to deliver and hopefully get another job. A shop and deliver from Coles, 3 items, and they look like they're all like shampoos and stuff, so pretty easy. For DoorDash again, pretty surprising. Get this picked up hopefully within 5 minutes and get it delivered probably hopefully it's not too far away, which is awesome. That's pretty much what she wanted. They didn't have one item, so I had to substitute. Did my shop at Coles for 3 items, and she is 5 minutes away, which is 3 kilometers. So we'll get this done. The rain has slowed down a little bit because there's crazy people on this road when it rains, probably including me. So yeah, get this delivered.
customer requested you leave the order at their door. They added the following instructions. Leave at my door.
See if I can get one more job before I finish for the day. Been going about an hour now, so not too bad so far. Picking up from the coffee club. This one was around $9, but the traffic's been really bad. I reckon Uber might pay me a bit more than $9. So he's hoping. Is this one for me? Thank you. Waiting for me. That's awesome. Hello. Good. How are you? There you go. Cheers. Thank you. So just finished off. Just dropped off. He was already waiting for me. Now I've got to get out of here. It was a gated. Never known a gate to open so slow. But yeah, I think it's around $44, I'd like to say. DoorDash really came out on tops again, so thumbs up to DoorDash. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching. Give it the thumbs up, you know, share it, subscribe, you know what to do. But thank you so much. I do appreciate you. And yeah, back on it probably tomorrow. It has been a slow week, mainly because I'm dropping my kids at the train station and I don't have as much time this week, but next week I will have more time and will be earning a bit more money. But I hope everyone is well. I'm trying to get out of it. Oh, here we are. Here is the gate. Hopefully it will just open for me automatically, but you never know with these gates. I think I've been here before and it did. I'm probably about 10 minutes away from home, not too far, so I've been doing about just over an hour and 30 minutes, maybe an hour and 40 minutes. The wait time has been quite bad this morning, with the Guzman Gomez and then the traffic, school traffic at the moment. I reckon it's worse than peak hour traffic. But anyway, have an amazing week wherever you are, whenever you get this, and I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye.